Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your 360 footage for Gaussians, convert equirectangular frames to a consistent resolution, and extract 1-2 FPS keyframes to reduce redundancy. Calibrate intrinsics and keep metadata intact so reconstruction knows the lens model. Once done, compute or import course depth priors to guide initial Gaussian placement, because good priors speed convergence and avoid collapsing geometry. Finally, organize frames and poses into a dataset folder. Make sure timestamps, names, and orientations match precisely so the pipeline reads them. Now you initialize Gaussians and begin optimization. Seed a dense cloud using depth priors or uniforms sampling inside the scene volume, then assign initial covariances and colors. Start training with a photometric reconstruction loss and optimize position, covariance, color, and opacity via gradient descent, because those parameters encode shape and appearance. Use a multi-scale image pyramid and schedule sigma reduction so the solution refines from coarse to fine. Make sure to regularly prune low-contribution Gaussians and validate renders against held-out. Finish by refining and exporting your Gaussian splat model. Prune and merge overlapping Gaussians to hit a target count, then bake colors and covariances for efficient rendering. Export in a compact format like NPZ or your renderer's import and validate with novel 360 renders. Look for seam misalignment, exposure shifts, and parallax errors. If artifacts persist, increase per pixel samples, strengthen spatial regularization, or refine poses and depth priors. These fixes address ghosting and floating blobs, and they stabilize final visual quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.